Hi, this is Luke Zipp from Crocker Farm Auction, and I'm here with one of the most beautiful examples of Edgefield District, South Carolina stoneware that we've ever handled in one of our auctions. This is a monumental 7-gallon stoneware jar, beautiful alkaline glaze, but what really makes it is its decoration. So this was made really at the beginning of decorative Edgefield District, South Carolina stoneware. It can be attributed very easily based on archaeological evidence to Thomas Chandler working at the Phoenix factory right around 1840 in the Edgefield district of South Carolina. And what's beautiful about this piece is really they were making alkaline glazed stoneware for over 2 decades by the time this piece was produced. But it really represents a concerted effort of potters and businessmen in the Edgefield district to take advantage of expanding marketplaces and really become an influential style center for Southern stoneware right around late 1830s into 1840. So before this period, before the Phoenix factory, decoration on alkaline glazed stoneware in the Edgefield district was really non-existent. And there's a few known examples with decoration, with cobalt oxide decoration, but really at the Phoenix factory, owned by Matheson Rhodes in 1840, opening in 1840, they were expanding marketplaces into places like Charleston, South Carolina, Savannah, Georgia, and they wanted to take advantage of really high style consumers who wanted high quality decorated stoneware. It was right around the time that Thomas Chandler arrived in the Edgefield district, and what's so awesome is you see a blending of styles. So Thomas Chandler came from Baltimore and knew their type of stoneware decoration there. One of the typical types of decoration is slip trail decoration at most notably at the Morgan pottery. And really he took what he learned 2 decades before, up to 2 decades before, really, a decade and a half, before in Baltimore, styles that he was exposed to, and then when it came to the time to make decorated stoneware in the Edgefield district, he went back to his experience and really replicated decorations that he had been exposed to before in his time in Baltimore. So you see here, on the ground of alkaline glazed stoneware, they developed at the Phoenix factory kaolin slip, which is the whitish slip, and iron slip, which is the dark brown slip, and the most prized decorated vessels from the Edgefield district carry this 2-color slip, the dark background with the light surrounding it, and you can see it's just massive decoration. So later examples, signed Chandler Maker, when Thomas Chandler was out on his own, you would see similar type decorations, usually almost exclusively 1 color, either iron or kaolin slip, and much smaller. But here, when Chandler was really trying to make a name for himself in Edgefield and make a name for Edgefield district stoneware in general in the style centers of the time, he really went all out and tried to make a beautiful vessel. And so really, the Phoenix factory in 1840 is one of the most influential stoneware potteries in American stoneware history. It was really up there with Manhattan in the 1790s, Baltimore in the 18-teens and 20s, Rochester, New York in the 1840s, Edgefield district, South Carolina, Phoenix factory right around 1840 is one of the most influential potting centers. So this is just an example of the type of pottery that they were making there with this 2-color slip. You can see these massive flower heads really command attention. This drape decoration underneath both handles surrounding the pot. Just an outstanding example of what Chandler's capabilities were as a decorator and potter in the Edgefield district. From the top, it's even beautiful. Some legendary examples of stoneware were made during this Phoenix factory period, most notably the water cooler, the marriage water cooler, slave marriage water cooler at the High Museum in Atlanta. This was made right contemporary, both time and place, to that vessel. It was made to get noticed, made to command attention, and it still serves that function today. We're just thrilled to offer it in our March 24th Stoneware and Redware auction. If you have any questions, if you want to contact us, our phone number is 410-472-2016, or email address is info@crockerfarm.com. Thanks for watching.